Hello friends, so welcome to this lecture on identity and access management. So in this particular lecture, we'll have a general overview about the IAM. See, identity and access management at a very high level is all about managing the access to the various resources which the user or identities access. You might have heard this term about IAM in case of AWS IAM in Azure it is being used, and there are number of tools available in the market which use the terminology IAM. So IAM is nothing, it is all about the identity and access management, the terminologies which is used in the market. And what identity and access management is, you can say that okay, it refers to the IT security discipline or one of the branch or a discipline which provides the solution for managing the user identities and their access to resources. And when we talk about identity and access management, you can divide the identity and access management into two parts. The first one is the identity and second one is the access management. First of all, we need to understand what are the identities. So if I would have been talking on identity and access management, let's say 5 or 10 years back, I would have been only talking about the user groups who would be accessing various kind of resources like various kind of devices or application which they would be accessing. But these days, the way we are working in technology, the identities could be your user groups, it could be your devices as well, like your virtual machines or your mobile device can get an identity while logging or while accessing the application. Then, like in Azure, also you can assign virtual machine and identity, and then that particular virtual machine can in turn access some other applications. And similarly, you can assign identity to the application to access any other application. So, identities could be anything the way we are working in today's digital era, because in most of the mobile devices, APIs are accessing the other application. So, it is like application calling the other application, right? So in this way, identities could be anything like we have mentioned before. Now, what all these identity would be doing, they need to access certain kind of resources to perform their work or to get the work done. Like a user might be accessing some kind of application to do the work, a device might need some application to access, there might be some application installed onto virtual machine to access another application, to access storage, and to access the database. So in this way, the identities are accessing the resources at all point of time. And identity access management is how we are managing the access so that right people, mean right identities, could have access to the right resources. So that is all about the identity and access management. In a simple example, we can understand that within an organization there are auditors who always need access to certain kind of compliance reports or some risk assessment reports, compliance reports, SLA reports, they need access to. And developers who might be developing their code, they are pushing their code onto the GitHub and they are doing the deployment, all those stuff is going on. And then there are people like HR, finance, they'll be using SAP HR system, payroll system. So I have just taken the two simple examples. So in that case, with the help of identity and access management, one needs to make sure that okay, like the developers should have the right access depending on their role to the GitHub repository, and developers should not have access to the resources like compliance reports or audit reports, because that is not their role at all. Similarly, auditors should not have access to the GitHub repository where they can see that okay, how the code is stored and how they are maintaining the versions and repositories and all those things. So in that case, identity and access management in short is about managing the access to the resources in a right way. So this is it friends. In this lecture, we discussed about the general overview of identity and access management. So thank you for watching this lecture. Meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.